Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work will now discuss the eligibility criteria for NIACL AO mains exam. For general category, the candidate must be a graduate with 60% marks from any recognized university. For SC or ST category, the candidate needs 55% marks. The candidate must be a citizen of India or from Nepal and Bhutan citizen, or the candidate must be a Tibetan refugee who came over to India before 1st January 1962 with the intention of permanently settling in India. The candidate can be a person of Indian origin who has migrated from Pakistan, Burma, Sri Lanka, East African countries with the intention of permanently settling in India, provided that the candidate shall be a person in whose favor a certificate of eligibility has been issued by the Government of India. The age limit should not be less than 21 years and should not be more than 30 years. Age relaxation is given for the following categories. For SC or ST, 5 years. For OBC, 3 years. For PWD General, 10 years. For PWD SC, ST, 15 years. For PWD OBC, 13 years. For persons domiciled in J&K, 5 years. So if you value the content of our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.